Good morning, day 81 on the Appalachian Trail. I am up here at Pulpit Rock. I'm all packed up, just enjoying my morning here, doing my stretches, drinking my coffee. I got to super glue my toe up. But I'm going hopefully around 24 miles today to another viewpoint. And yeah, I think supposed to get into the rocks pretty good today, some rock scrambling and things like that. So should be an interesting day, should be a hard 24 miles. So I better get moving. Here at the Pinnacle. This reminds me of like Tinker Cliffs or McAfee Knob area. It's like almost exactly the same. Not quite the view, but nice. All right, just stopped there at the Eckville shelter. It's just like, I don't know, 0.1 off the trail. It's owned by the National Park Service and there's a caretaker there. There's charging stations, so I charged up my stuff a little bit and they have a solar shower, so I actually took a shower. So feeling good, but gotta get back on trail, gotta get some miles in. Here we go. Up on top of Bear Rocks, another huge rock formation here. Man, the haze is killing me today. I had so many awesome viewpoints, but couldn't see anything. Just haze covering everything. Oh well. All right, made it to where I'm gonna camp. I'm up on top of Bake Oven Knob. Awesome view for sunset. Still got that haze, but actually got a view for sunrise on the other side. So hopefully it'll clear up for that in the morning. But I've got a spot picked out. Gonna hunt a little bit to see if I can find a little bit better spot, but this should work for tonight. Made it a little bit over 24 miles. Had some awesome spots today where I could have had great views, but just had some fun rock hopping today. Feet are definitely a little sore, but I mean, I literally was walking on boulders half the day. So I'm gonna get set up here, chill out, enjoy another beautiful sunset, another good day on the Appalachian Trail.